Here are my paintings, Habemus Papam 1 and Habemus Papam 2. And I painted these paintings during the election of new Pope. And it was 2025. So the first inspiration was about Pope as a symbol of freedom and bright future. And so these gold parts which connect each other symbolize the new world and possibilities, how big leaders could change the world and the meaning. And the second one is Habemus Papam 2. And this painting I was painting when it was inauguration of Pope 2025. And this painting symbolizes also the bright future, but here also the colors of small hats of the Pope colleagues, and these colors symbolize the new power. So, and I use here pearl colors, and if you see from one side it could be blue pearl, and the other color there is yellow pearl. So it is like our whole world's diplomacy and politics. From one side it seems blue, maybe, but from the other side it seems yellow. And choice is yours.
Aga mis teile täna kõige rohkem meeldib?
Seisan praegu oma lemmikmaalides.
Aga mis?
Meeldib nendes maalides rõõm, helgus, mida tegelikult me enda ümber inimestena me ju kõige rohkem näha tahaksime ja millest täna tegelikult ka puudust on.
Aitäh!
Woo!